This is Paradox. It's a wood puzzle with a frame. Now, if I take away the frame, mix up the puzzle, put it back together, put it back together. I would come up with the rectangular shape for the puzzle. The strange part is, if I get an extra block and I put the block in here, this would be sticking out and won't fit in the frame. But with a little rearrangement, maybe I could fit that extra piece and still form a rectangle which actually fits the puzzle. Now another piece I found, a rectangular piece. What if I put it on the side over here? See, it'll be sticking out. But if I move my pieces around, I could form a rectangular shape. And guess what? My frame fits perfectly.